Hello everybody, happy Halloween. Welcome to Discovery channel and we're gonna make something with pumpkin today. This handsome guy wants to drink pumpkin milkshake and I will make pumpkin milkshake for him. Do you want pumpkin milkshake, honey? So Halloween coming and it means pumpkin month. As we made in previous video, squash dessert. So we're gonna make with that squash dessert milkshake. It's gonna be delicious and easy to make, simple ingredients. You know, if you made that squash dessert, you have most important ingredient. We have pumpkin dessert that we made in previous video, like 4 pieces, as big as tablespoon, like that. And we have 1 glass of milk and ice. We're gonna put everything together into the blender. Milk, ice, and pumpkin dessert with the syrup. Look at that syrup. Oh my God, it's delicious, man. And close the lid and press the blend button. All right, it's ready. I have like that colorful cups and straws, and my kids are waiting me. They can't wait to taste them. That delicious milkshake is ready. Blue, okay. Yellow, blue, all right. So, all right guys, you want pumpkin cup? Here we go. And put the straw in it. I have, if you want you can put some cream on it, but I don't use cream. I'm gonna put some pistachios. You can use pistachios, walnuts, chocolate, cream, whatever you want. Really rich toppings. You may use whatever you want.
I like it!
We made delicious pumpkin milkshake today. So if you want like that videos, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Don't forget, write your comment. Your ideas is very important for us. So until next video, you have a great day. Happy Halloween!